Well, here we are with Reagan's 2022 rifle season buck.
November 11th. Last day of archery season here in Missouri. I'm sitting at Redneck tonight overlooking a dead clover field and some cut corn. But they gotta cross through the clover to get to the corn, so it's fine. I saw a really big buck here the other night. It's probably only one of the few bucks I want to shoot here. But that's a target buck. So, we'll see. He's probably gonna walk this trail all the way down to the corner. Are you recording? Yeah. Oh. It's November 12th, first day of rifle. Seen a couple deer so far. It's really cold. Can't really see out of our windows, but we have a cut cornfield and some clover, same spot we were at last night. We're sitting here all day. What are we waiting on? A deer. More specifically a 10 point. He's a really big 10. But we'll see. Gonna ride it out. Yep, should come through here at some point. Hopefully Reagan shoots a deer so he can shave. Oh my lord. He's cruising. He's looking for a doe. Boy, he's so pretty. Nice double drop time. Crap. Oh my word, my heart was racing. It's a good thing you didn't rack him right there. Don't move. Oh. Dude, I'm shaking so bad. And we're live. It's about 2:45. Just getting ready for the evening on here. We have some dough around us, but hoping the bucks show up. We saw one earlier, but hoping the big guy shows up. It's cold as well. It's very cold. Very cold. Can you scoot over to your left a little bit more? God, yeah.
Got him.
Oh my gosh, he's going down. He's going down. He's gonna go down.
I think he just went down.
Holy cow. I can't believe it.
Oh my word.
Wow. I'm not going anymore. Dude, I think I hit him on the second shot too.
Yeah, you did.
Oh man.
Nice buck. That's a big buck. He looked big.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
That's the deer we were after.
Oh my gosh, nice job.
That's the first buck we've had in the field all night pretty much.
Yeah, we haven't seen a buck since like 10 a.m.
It's been a long night, but finally came out.
Oh my gosh.
I shot another really big 10 there a couple years ago. Same spot. Same situation. Didn't see many deer all
That's the
night.
buck we were after.
And then finally he comes out with a doe. Smoked him on the first shot. And as he was running away, I pretty sure I smoked him again.
Oh,
I think he's laying dead on the edge of the field. But that is the buck we were after. We brought out the Peacemaker today, the old 6'5".
Nice shot, Regs. Oh my word. I think it looked like it.
Boy, we're gonna watch the footage, but that second shot I think did it too.
Deer in the field too.
Yeah, we do have deer in the field, but
Oh, nice.
good,
Nice.
sweet.
Oh man, nice job, Regs.
Shooting blood. Yeah, that's probably my second shot, ain't it?
Oh yeah. Holy shit.
Dude, he's afraid.
Nice job, Regs. Holy cow. Turn around there.
There he is. We weren't seeing much all night. And then finally he came out on this trail that I figured he would have came on. We had pictures of him back behind us these past couple of days. And finally he came out with a doe. So he wasn't locked down or anything, he was just following a doe.
Holy.
And yeah, probably 80 to 100 yard shot.
Smoked him.
Smoked him.
Sweet.
Didn't want him to get away, so we smoked him again.
Shot him again. Awesome job, dude. Nice shot. Holy.
Well, here we are with Reagan's 2022 rifle season buck here in Missouri. This is the buck we were after. Just a beautiful 10-point. Honestly, I'd say he really grew since last year. Picked up his shed last year. I saw him in archery just over here, about 100 yards. And Reagan saw him in archery too. And we were sitting there today, and honestly, all we were seeing is doe. We were talking about how we had a doe problem, and all of a sudden this guy steps out. Where there's doe, I guess there will be buck, especially in the rut. Reagan made a really good shot on him the first shot, and then drilled him again the second shot, and he did not even make it out of the field. It's just a great hunt. I want to thank you for watching.
Mm-hmm.